Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be reviewing the documentary Chasing Ice, which is about a famous environmental photographer, James DeLong, attempting a challenging project for National Geographic in the spring of 2005. By traveling to the Arctic and taking pictures, he helped tell the history of the planet's changing climate. On his first journey north, he was introduced to the greatest story in human history, which inspired him to face a challenge that would risk both his professional status and his own well-being. The documentary Chasing Ice aims to illustrate the severe climate change we are experiencing all over the globe. The documentary's overall objective is to demonstrate the threat that human denial of climate change poses on the Earth. The film's purpose is to visually illustrate the reality of climate change and how quickly it's occurring. It does a great job of showing footage of the changes taking place over short periods of time, and it proves that climate change is a real and growing problem. It is challenging to live in denial of the global issues of climate change considering these videos, which Belong's recording devices have captured. As Belong's curiosity expanded, he decided to launch the EIS, which stands for Extreme Ice Survey, which was his idea of setting up cameras in various regions, including Antarctica, Greenland, Iceland, Alaska, and the Rocky Mountains, in order to capture the changes that took place. Belong firmly questioned climate change because he thought the theory underlying global warming was based on computer simulations. Furthermore, he didn't believe that people could affect the climate of the entire planet in such a significant way. Belong, however, discovered substantial evidence supporting theories that went against the common assumptions through investigations of ice records. Like a tree, glaciers have tubes that can retain past historical records of prior temperatures and carbon dioxide levels. These records allow a direct observation of the relationship between temperature and carbon dioxide. These glacial rings ended up proving Belong wrong in thinking that humans had a relationship in the cause of global warming. The documentary's overall objective is to clearly illustrate the threat that human denial of climate change poses to the Earth. The purpose of the documentary is to visually demonstrate the reality of climate change and how quickly it is occurring around the world. The film does a great job of showing footage of the changes taking place over short periods of time, proving that climate change is real and that humans are the main reason of it not stopping. Chasing Ice tells the story of one man's attempt to turn the direction of history by collecting undeniable proof of climate change. After an initial journey to Iceland, Belong quickly came up with the idea for his most adventurous expedition. Even though this film had great visuals and information given throughout the entire documentary, I didn't find it enjoying and I wouldn't recommend it to anyone. However, Chasing Ice does a great job explaining the threats that humans are putting on the environment and how we all need to protect it. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week to talk about global waste.